Hello everyone, my name is Evichukwu Lazarus, the engineer behind Grecore Limited, popularly known as Grecore. I created Grecore to bridge the gap between technology theory and real-world practical experience. And our goal is simple: to help learners move beyond tutorials and building real projects, gaining hands-on skills and becoming industry ready. So one of the biggest challenges in today's tech is the skills gap. All right, many people understand the theory, but they lack practical experience, while the demand for digital skills continue to grow. So, Greco was built to help solve this problem. And you might be wondering, why choose Greco? Why choose Greco? Why should I choose Greco? All right. So at Greco, we believe in learning by doing. We provide practical, industry-focused training on a secure platform while continuously improving our content and features to meet the changing demands in tech industry. All right. And Greco is designed for students, professionals, businesses, and organizations that want to develop practical technology skills and stay competitive in today's digital world. All right. So Greco is more than a learning platform. It's a place where knowledge becomes practical experience. And our mission is to empower people with the skills and confidence they need to succeed in technology. All right. So to learn more, visit our official website at greco.com.ng. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us at support@greco.com.ng. Thank you for your time and welcome to Greco. Don't forget, learn, build, and innovate.